The menu for this evening was a Wagyu grade 5 tomahawk, accompanied by a triple cooked corn with saffron and just a very simple light tomato salad. The Wagyu, it is a cow grown with the Japanese technique to make sure that the meat grows with a certain amount of fat, an extra amount of fat inside the fibers of the flesh. And this allows the meat to have extra taste because fat adds taste and also softness. If I want to make a nice show and go to the table on a beautiful cutting board, that piece of the bone actually helps. You eat with your eyes and with your nose, with your smell first, and then with your mouth. If the eyes and the scent is not satisfactory, the mouth doesn't have a good attitude to start. I decided to add a little bit of color to a brown-yellow dish. Also, I realized that there is a very high content of nicotine in the skin of the tomato, and I'm already a smoker, so I don't want to smoke more than I normally do, so I took the skin of the tomato. The rest is all up to the interpretation and the taste of the person that eats. Like, you look at a painting, if you like it, it's beautiful. If you don't like it, it's not beautiful, even if it's $1 million.